Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shrivani. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do right away so that you will get the uploads as soon as I keep my videos to upload it. So I'm really happy. I'm so exuberant to share this news with you all because you have got the opportunity again to prove yourselves or to make utilize this option to get into jobs. I know how hard it is the situation, but please I request to make use of these opportunities whatever you get. Even though if you get a job or not, it doesn't matter, but just try to attend the interviews. The more experience you get, the more talent you grab, the more knowledge you get. So please try to attend the interviews wherever they go, wherever they fall in, because it's very important now and it plays a crucial role for the every step that you take ahead. So that is what I want to give this information for you all. So let's dive into the topic. It's again for a hiring update where the Optum is having the hirings for experienced candidates. It is strictly for experienced candidates as not for freshers. Actually, for freshers, non-set for freshers, it was recently done, but now this opening is for experienced candidates where I'll be giving the information till the end of the video, but don't forget to subscribe. Do subscribe it right now. So let's dive into the topic. So Optum Hyderabad has walk-in. It has direct walk-in where you can directly appear for the interview. I'll just let you know the timings. It's for the Department of HCC or medical coding related. So you need to have the experience of 0 to 6 months to up to 4 years. If you're experienced, that is fine. And it is on the date, the interview or the walk-in date is on tomorrow. It's tomorrow, which is 31st of May 2025. Please make use of this opportunity, experienced candidates, so that you will have the better packages as well. That will be really useful and helpful for you all. The thing is, it is walk-in time. Please be available or go prior to 10. Walk-in time would be 10:30 because it would be better if you appear at 10 or if you go at 10 or walk in at 10. So it is for experienced candidates and walk-in time is 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and it is on 31st May, which is tomorrow, Saturday, 2025. And what is your qualification? It's just graduate degree is enough, but you need to have experience of minimum 0.6 to 4 months, 4 years of experience should be there. And remember, you should have a proper relieving letter. You should bring a proper relieving letter from the previous company where you have worked in. Because if you don't have that, you might not have the chances. Make sure you bring everything correct, either documents or whatever they ask you. Make sure you bring it correct, and proper living it is mandatory, and you should be having a certification of CPC, CCS, COC or CIC, in which the certification must be active. Like whatever the certification you are bringing there, it should be active, and also it should be approved either by AAPC or AHIMA. Okay, then on, it's strictly work from office only, as I've mentioned in the post or whatever. It is strictly work from office, remember. And the things are, what are the documents that you need to carry is, you just need to carry your resume. Make sure you prepare your resume the best one, and it should attract or grab the attention of the interview site. Make it precise, short, brief, but attractive, diligent. Okay, attractive, most attractive, that's it, what I can say is. So documents to carry: resume, photo ID proof like Aadhaar card, whatever it might be, and also two passport size photos is mandatory to bring. Two or one, it's your wish, but if you carry two, it will be helpful. If it is necessary, they will ask, or else you can keep it with you. So resume, photo ID proof, and passport size photo, one or two, and proper relieving letter. Okay, these four are mandatory to get into the interview tomorrow in Optum. Okay, let me say the venue. The location is where we have got the training for medical coding. It is the location where venue is Optum Global Solutions, which is Site 2. Okay, Evans Business Hub. It is in Phoenix. Once after you get down near Raidur metro station, you can find so many ways to get in, or else if you ask any people also, they will help you with that. But make sure you go there on time. It is first floor, HO6. Building number is HO6. First floor, Evans Business Hub, Phoenix, High Tech City, Hyderabad. This is what when I use. You can just go with the help of Google Maps. That is fine. But don't miss this opportunity because it's for experienced coders who are willing to come from a different company to a different company for hikes or packages, which would be better for you all. So as soon as I got the information, I have been making this video so that it will be helpful for whom they are willing to get into the or whom are willing to change or switch to the different company for a good package, right? That is only the intention. We move to a different company, switch to one company to other once after you gain the experience. So better you make use of this opportunity because you might have in future or not. Make use of this opportunity. If you have any doubts, ping me in the comment section. I'll try my best of knowledge to reply it because it's not that I know everything, but I'll try my best. If you have any doubts, ping me in the comment section and do subscribe for more. Thank you.